Hello, I'm back to show you my Tuesday morning haul. The store, I never liked going there, and when they closed all our stores next to me, that store never had a craft area. So now they even made it smaller of a craft area, and they didn't have that much stuff. They didn't have cardstock, nothing. But I did pick up a couple of things on clearance section. And then 2 or 3 things that I already had picked up before, I picked it up again. So I did pick up this humongous tray right here. And it does have legs. And it was $19.99. And it's the lap desk tray. And the legs are in the back. So I want to open it to see if this works. Because so I picked this up so that I could craft in the living room when my hubby wants to watch television. That's basically never almost. But I said I could do it. I could bring this to my bedroom and do my calendar in my room when I don't want to craft. So it is wood. And you could put your iPad here and a cup here. Let's see how this opens. Yep. Perfect. And it is sturdy. Yep. I think that was a good deal because everywhere else it was $30. And I was waiting and waiting, and then when I saw this, I was going to leave it behind, and then I said, no, I'm going to regret leaving it behind because it was the last one. So I picked that up. Okay, now I'm going to show you my everything I got on clearance first. So I did pick up this calendar, Heidi Swap calendar. That's how that looks. And it is 3x4. And it was open like this already. So let me take it out to show you. So it sits on your desk. So it has January, February, every month, I believe. Yep. I thought it brought. So, it coordinates with 3x4 page protectors, so separately. So I would have to try to find that or make my own. So that's okay. I could also make my own and take these chipboards out and put something else, because you do disconnect it here and you could put whatever you want. So I think that's what I'm gonna do, because these doesn't even let you turn it. So I'm gonna change that to something else. I'll show you what I do with it, hopefully soon. Then I did pick up the Heidi Swap memory planner, and it was on sale. It had the purple sticker on it. So let me open this up to see how it looks inside, because I'm hoping that it's the 3-ring so that I could do my own photos in here, a photo album. It looks like the one that I picked up for my son. Okay, so it has 4, 2 and 2, so it's 4. So I would have to make my own binders to this, page protectors. So, okay, that's cool. I like it. So that was that. Boy, I'm making a quick mess here. So let's move all this junk to the side. So that's that and that. And the next thing that I picked up was this planner punch board with adjustable punches, but I am going to give it for Happy Mail because I already have this. So somebody in my Happy Mail will receive this. So it has 3 types of punches, I believe here. So oh no, 2, 3, because it has that type, the circle. Yeah, and the instructions are inside. So I use mine constantly. So I thought maybe someone in my Happy Mail will like that. So I picked that up. So now everything that was not on sale, well, the tray wasn't on sale. So I did pick up these art bins, super satchel bins, and it's 4 of them. And it says you can hang them on peg wall, tight fitting lid, stackable. So I did buy them because I wanted to stack it, so that when I do little cutouts for my projects, I put it in here. So let me open that up to show you. Okay, so you see you could put it on your pegboard. You could put the wire right there, and that's how you hang it. So, okay, yep, it's very hard to open. So it's 3 of them. They only have 1. If they had another one, I would buy the other one. But they only had 1. And it is stackable, as you can see. Then the next thing I bought for my sewing room was this. So my husband said pick it up, so I could hang it on my wall next to the sewing machine, and whenever I need a thread, I just pick it from here. So that's kind of cool. And it's already white, which I love. I didn't have to paint it, so that's good. And the pegs are in there. And you could even put it in a case, it says there. But I guess you have to buy that specific case to put this in there. So it's also from Art Bin. And then I picked up this candle wax for $8.99 from American Crafts. I want to open it up. It does have a bumblebee and a hello. So it was $8.99. I don't use these wax because I've noticed when I did, the string goes away before the wax does. So this one is gold, like a gold. This one is like a mustard and a black. It comes with the wax. And then one of the I'll just buy this and keep it screwed on, because I hate screwing things. So that's the little bumblebee. And then this one says hello on it. So it's always gonna have that little dent there on the hello. I didn't notice that. So that's that. Then I picked up this letteret, and it came together. So it's A2 card, white cardstock, and gray cardstock for $3.99. And in here is 24 pieces, so it's 12 and 12. So hopefully I could use that for card base. Then I picked up the Cityscapes, and it comes with the mixed 40 pieces. I guess those are the ephemera, and then the 6x8 paper pad, and then the 6 sheets of stickers. So that's what you get in here. These are the 6 sheets of stickers in here. Then I picked these 2 sticker books again because I want to give it to probably Happy Mail. So this one was the Crate Paper Journal Studio stickers, and then this one is the Maggie Holmes, which I'm using mine for a project right now. So this is what you get in here, and this is what you get in this one. So I do love both of them, so that's why I picked it up for my Happy Mail. And that is it for my Tuesday morning. Now I'm going to show you in my next video some stuff that my co-worker's wife gave me. So as always, please give this video a thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.